Our customers are the lifeblood of our business, so when they give us a glowing review, we love telling everybody about it, and that's because we're focused on giving each customer a 5-star experience. Let me share what one of our customers had to say about us. This is one of our favorite reviews. We do our best to listen carefully to all of our customers' needs, providing the best service possible. It's great to see that our hard work is paying off. Great reviews aside, we enjoy earning these from new customers, so we want to show you how our extensive experience and knowledge and superior customer service can help you. Our door is always open to answer any questions you might have, so please don't hesitate. Call us today at the number on your screen.